The Restoration period begins in 1660, the year in which the King Charles II was restored to the English throne. Up to the Restoration in 1660, when Charles II came to the throne, there was a complete repudiation of the Puritans' ideals and way of living. In English literature, the period from 1660 is called the period of Restoration because monarchy was restored in England, and Charles II, the son of Charles I, who had been defeated and beheaded, came back to England from his exile in France and became the king. The divisions between those who supported a more traditional form of government and those who wanted a more republican form of government led to strong tensions throughout England. These tensions led to the English Civil War. The war culminated with the beheading of Charles I. In 1660, Charles II became king, thereby restoring the English monarchy. After Charles II died in 1685, his brother James II took over the throne. James II was Catholic and Protestant leaders in England to the turmoil of becoming a Catholic nation after century and a half of became Protestant since the establishment of the Church of England in 1535. The restoration of Charles II brought about a revolutionary change in life and literature.